On today's menu are some of my favorites: Biulir dal made with urad dal, potato and rich gourd curry with poppy seed paste, commonly known as Jhinge Aloo Posto in Bengal, and a simple pan-fried turmeric okra recipe. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. I will be starting with Biulir dal, for which I have taken a third of a cup of split urad dal. Urad dal looks similar to split moong dal. The only difference is their colors. Moong dal is yellow and urad dal is creamish white in color, but they taste totally different. I always use a pressure cooker for making dal. Roast the lentils on medium heat till they turn fragrant and develop a little brown color along the edges. Why roasted, you may be thinking? Roasting brings in a nutty flavor to these kind of lentils, and you will commonly see this in Bengali cuisine. Moong dal and urad dal are the only two dals that taste best with this roasting method. Now it is not that visible on camera, but it has developed this slight brown color along its edges. So take it off heat into a strainer and give a quick rinse. See how you can make out that brown color now, but please do not brown them too much, as then they will turn hard and won't get tender. Again, back they enter the pressure cooker along with 2.5 cups of hot water and a heaped teaspoon of salt. Pressure cook it for 15 minutes if using an instant pot, or 13 minutes if using a regular pressure cooker. While the dal is getting cooked, I will be prepping my veggies for the next recipe, that is Jhinge Aloo Posto. Jhinge is rich gourd. I buy these from an Asian supermarket. You can also make this recipe using only potatoes. In fact, I frequently do that. I had soaked white poppy seeds in hot water for about an hour. Soaking in hot water helps in making the paste, but do not soak in hot water for long. I have a full detailed video on Jhinge Aloo Posto. It is running on the YouTube card above, so please check that video if you are interested in making this recipe. This combination of Biulir dal along with Jhinge Aloo Posto is a Bengali delicacy. Please do try these recipes, my friends. They are so easy to make and really very delicious. Here the oil has turned hot, so I added bay leaves and nigella seeds, also known as kalonji or kalo jeera in Bengali. Add the potatoes and stir till they turn brown along the edges. Then add the rich gourd along with salt and stir very well. Cover it till the potatoes and rich gourd turn tender. Once they turn tender, add the poppy seed paste. This recipe calls for a little bit of sugar. Then keep it on medium-high heat and stir it very frequently till the gravy dries up a bit. This recipe doesn't have too much gravy, neither should it be too dry. At the end, I like adding just a teaspoon of mustard oil, which is totally optional, and aloo posto is all done. It stays good in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, so you can make a large batch and store it. The lentils are cooked as well. Mash it a little bit but not too much, so that some of the lentils stay intact while some get mashed up and bring in a thickness. I will be grinding a few ingredients now. Here I have soaked about a tablespoon of fennel seeds in water for about half an hour. I also need a good amount of ginger. You do not have to grind them like this. You can even use your blender, but in that case blend it with little bit of water to get a smooth paste. Let's cook the dal now. When the oil turns hot, lower the heat to low and add 2 dry bay leaves and a dry red chilli. Then I will be using that ginger fennel paste, but I will be saving a little bit for later. Fry the paste on low heat. I also added a pinch of hing, that is asafoetida. Fry on low heat till the oil leaves the sides and then add the cooked lentils along with a little more of salt. I also added 2 fresh green chillies. Addition of chillies is totally optional. Now I will add the rest of the ginger fennel paste. When it comes up to a boil, allow it to simmer on low heat for 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes, I added half a teaspoon of my homemade ghee and Biulir dal is done. Again, this dal can be stored in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. Coming to the final recipe of the day, I will be using my homegrown okra. Growing okra in containers is so easy and so very rewarding. When the plant starts bearing the okras, it is like a daily picking for me. I make the easiest recipe with these. I just heat up oil, throw the green beauties in the pan, add some turmeric powder and stir on high heat till they lose all their slime. I've described how to get rid of the slime of okras in one of the videos. That video is running on the YouTube card above, so please check that out if you're interested. Once they lose their slime, only then I add salt and keep it covered on low heat. It hardly takes a few minutes to be done, and you can store fried okras in the refrigerator for about a week. So here you go, this is what I cooked today. Biulir dal, Jhinge aloo posto and pan-fried okra, all to be relished with white rice. Bye-bye.